Hey riders, today we're in the Florida Keys for an absolute perfect Christmas Day ride. I'm starting right here at Dolphin Point Villas in Key Largo. A beautiful spot right on the water, super chill place to stay. We're heading south down the overseas highway to Robbie's in Islamorada to feed some massive tarpon. Then on the way back we're going to hit Florida Keys Brewing for some beer, Hog Heaven Sports Bar and Grill for some food, and Rain Barrel Village before rolling back home. Let's fire it up and hit the road. Start out southbound on the overseas highway with crystal turquoise water flashing by on both sides. Salt air hitting you in the face, the sound of the bike. This is two-wheel freedom. Traffic's light today, so I'm just cruising. Mangroves on the shoulders, little keys popping up left and right, with boats cutting through the water. Key Largo's behind us as we hit Plantation Key with Windley Key next. And finally, Islamorada, 20, maybe 25 miles of this magic ride. We made it to Robbie's. This place is a Keys legend. If you've never been, you buy a bucket of fish and feed the tarpon right off the dock. These things are huge, jumping out of the water like crazy. They've got shops, cold drinks, a little marina, hungry tarpon restaurant if you want breakfast or lunch. Perfect first stop. On the way back, Florida Keys Brewing Company. This place has awesome craft beers. Super tropical vibe with their iguana bait, key lime beer, all that good stuff. We sat outside, perfect weather, just relaxing after the ride. If you're into craft beer, you have to hit this spot when you're in the Keys. Next up, just a short ride north, Hog Heaven Sports Bar and Grill. This place is biker-friendly heaven. Great wings, cold drinks, ocean breeze on the patio. Perfect spot to grab some grub and swap stories. Super laid back. Keys style bar with that biker vibe. Highly recommend if you're rolling through Islamorada. Last stop before home, Rain Barrel Village in Key Largo. You can't miss it. That giant lobster out front is iconic. It's an artisan village with galleries, sculptures, local art, jewelry, all kinds of cool stuff. What a ride. Stunning scenery, tarpon chaos, cold beers, good food, and that perfect Keys laid-back feel. Total round trip was about 50 to 60 miles. If you're ever in the Keys on two wheels, this route is a must. Thanks for riding along. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button or subscribe for more motorcycle adventures. And drop a comment. What's your favorite Keys stop? Ride safe out there, and I'll see you on the next one.